Hi, in this video I will discuss how to download HTML code from a website. Web designers spend hours marking up code. They need a way to save those changes. The HTML file extension does that. Chances are that you can by downloading the HTML code, making some edits, then saving your file with the changes. First option is use your browser's Save As options to download HTML code from a website. Step 1 is open the website you want to download the HTML code. All major browsers have the ability to open, edit, and download the source code for any website you visit. Step 2 is open the context menu and select Save As. The context menu is opened when you right-click on a web page. Select the Save As option. The sample screenshot for all the browsers as follow as. Step 3 is save the file type as web page, HTML only. The Save As dialog box is where you can set the file name and assign a folder/directory to save your file. The screenshot of the save file is as follow as. Step 4 is open the HTML file in your browser or show in folder. As soon as your file starts downloading, a notification shows in the browser. Once complete, click on the arrow to show the options. Selecting Open will open the HTML file in your browser. Select Show in Folder to see where your file is stored on your local drive, then move it if need be. The screenshot of the saved file is shown below. These website offline viewing and editing would not work. Most smaller websites are straightforward to save the HTML for local use. Dynamic websites may or may not be downloadable, particularly corporate websites that implement security measures to prevent their website from being cloned. The short summary of above steps are as follow as. Right-click, select Save As and then choose Web Page, HTML only. The shortcut keys Ctrl+S on Windows, or Command+S on Mac open the same save options. Another way is to use a browser inspector tool. Select the Sources tab, right-click on the index file and save it with the HTML extension. Thank you.